across to Shantashri joining us from the National Capital. Also Amandeep with us from Chandigarh. But Shantashri, first up coming to you, as we build up to what we can expect from the guidelines which will be issued by the MHA, of what we've understood so far, does look like we could be looking at gradual relaxations and operations that will resume as far as both passenger trains and domestic flights are concerned, though many chief ministers have expressed opposition as far as international flights are concerned. What can you share on that front?
Yes, definitely. As we wait for those important MHA guidelines for Lockdown 4 to come about, and also we expect a lot of relaxations, because definitely economy is something which needs a lot of boost, and that's why government has been pushing in a lot of money in the system. They had been trying to come out with a lot of provisions for not only migrant laborers but also farmers and other MSMEs and other small scale industries, so that they do not suffer any losses any further. So that's why they do want economy to kickstart yet again, which had not been for the last few months. So but what is the relevant picture that is coming across and panning across India is definitely the walking on barefoot sometimes, and also with children of the migrant laborers. And that's where I'm standing right now in ITO, Delhi, where you see so many migrant laborers who are still walking despite the measures that has been announced by the government, whether it's free food grains or whether it's ration that is being doled out at every juncture by district magistrates of Delhi as well as Noida. These people have completely lost faith in the system. There are certain good Samaritans that they had been giving them biscuit packets or cold drinks or milk packets, or you can see over here that wherever these migrant laborers are spotted, good Samaritans do come out and they do dole out food items as much as possible. But at the same point of time, these people have completely lost faith, and whenever we ask them that where are they traveling, they are saying that we are being homebound, but just because we do not have money and cops stop us from moving from one point to the other point, that's why we are waiting for somebody to give us money to board a rickshaw or a truck and then go to border areas, and that is Ghaziabad, and from there onwards they can board a train, or they move ahead in more trucks or buses to various places in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So it's a very picture of predicament and plight of these migrant laborers who had been walking for the last so many days. It's lockdown phase 4, despite the relaxations that are yet to be announced, despite the economic package that has been announced, despite the food grains that had been announced, free food grains rather, that had been announced by the government. We believe that they're not being able to maintain the trust among the migrant laborers, and that's why they had been walking from here to the Ghaziabad. Police have stopped them, but now they're awaiting somebody to come over here, give them that much amount of money so that they can board a truck or a bus and then move ahead to the border areas. It's a very it's a difficult situation for them as well. We'll try and ask some of the people out here. आप लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हो, पुलिस ने आपको रोकी है?
जी हाँ, रोकी थी, हम लोग को इधर उधर घुमा रही थी। हाँ तो
घुमा के रास्ता से फिर भी बोला दो करके निकल जाओ भाई, कुछ नहीं होगा।
अच्छा, तो कैसे जाओगे? पैदल चल के?
पैदल ही जाएंगे हम लोग। हाँ। यहाँ तो कोई व्यवस्था ही नहीं है।
तो आप लोग को जो फूड ग्रेन्स दिया जाता है, मतलब राशन आपको मिलता है, दाल चावल, फिर भी, और रेंट भी बोला है?
नहीं, हम लोग को आज तक नहीं मिला है जी, दिल्ली सरकार से कुछ नहीं मिला है। अब अपना खुद का जितना पैसा था वो खा लिया, खत्म हो गया। जो हमारा मालिक था उसको बोला भाई राशन दो, तो बोला नहीं, अभी जब काम चलेगा तभी दूंगा। तो हम लोग देखा कोई रास्ता नहीं, तो हम लोग अपना सारे बैग वूग लेकर निकल गए।
So, as you can see over here, that these people have a very different story to tell, despite the measures that are constantly being announced for their own benefits by the government. So, the ground reality is very different, and despite so many good Samaritans coming out to help them out, these people are the worst sufferers during a pandemic-like situation in India. But yes, as you just mentioned, that relaxations are expected, flights resumptions are expected, and train services, which had already resumed, the special trains, are going to continue till June end, but not any more passenger trains are expected to run. So while these relaxations are taking place, while money is being boosted in the economy, the migrant laborers on the other hand are not gaining out of all of these anything. So we believe that in the time to come, whether they gain from the economic package or not, that remains to be seen. But right now, they do feel a distrust with the government. Yes, Christine.
Yes.